VOCs at 21678, Fib 786, 22055. I'm not looking at value low or value high. Line in the sand is PP and yellow VWAP. If breaks short to overnight low or S1, if holds long to initial balance mid, RTH mid. So it is holding. I actually am looking for a
order canceled.
Long there. I was sure how loud that was. My goodness.
Order filled.
Okay. Targeting. Here. And then throw another one here.
Order submitted.
In case he wants to test it again. Target that. Initial balance mid. How FOMO leads to other problems. Trading can be emotionally activating for me, not only due to unexpected losses, but also from missing out on opportunities for profits. I experience a variety of emotions and impulses when I'm afraid of missing out, and when I actually miss out. These feelings and impulses tempt me to get in too early or chase momentum, even though jumping the gun and chasing violates my entry rules. Today I choose to accept the fact that I will miss out on most market movements simply because they don't fit my entry criteria. I know it sounds a bit strange, but in my trading, the market must conform to me, to my rules, not me to it. By waiting patiently for my setups without fear of missing out, I am playing this game more professionally, consistently applying a defined edge that I trust. Develop consistency with performance stats. When I get really involved in my trading, sometimes I don't pay all that much attention to the details of my entries and exits. In that state of mind, I tend to focus on my bottom line, which can lead me to overtrade. In order to hold myself more accountable to my trading rules, today I choose to seek out objective feedback about how I'm trading. By tracking my trading behavior in detail, I can learn more about my strengths and weaknesses. And knowing clearly what's already good and what needs to be improved gives me the leverage I need to make those changes sooner. Evil inclinations, trading habits. I enjoy watching the market and find it fascinating at times. During these periods, I tend to focus on finding patterns and predicting what the market is going to do next. Sometimes I take spontaneous action on my perceptions and predictions because they seem so real in the moment. Today, however, I choose to wake up from this entertaining trance as many times as it takes to stay awake and self-aware in front of a moving market. By being able to track my own trading behavior in real time, I empower myself to trade with discipline rather than to merely react. Expect the unexpected. I enjoy watching the market and can get very enthusiastic. Enthusiastic. I enjoy watching the market and I can get very enthusiastic about the possibilities that occasionally present themselves. When everything lines up, I have a sense of certainty about the future when I realize is somewhat exaggerating. I'm often right, but when I'm wrong, I'm caught wrong-footed and entirely unprepared for for the contrary move. In order to temper my enthusiasm, today I will take the time to sketch out in my mind both possible outcomes, the one I expect to happen and the other one I least expect. This will increase my mental emotional balance and it might even help me find better entries. You see, it occurs to me that this new, somewhat contrary mentality, I might be entering the market at the exact place where I would normally be stopping out. Commitment. I commit 100% to a process of disciplined self improvement as a trader. I'm convinced that more focus on discipline itself will improve my trading results. I'm finding more small ways each day to express discipline in my trading. My intention today is that regarding each and every trade I make, I'm behaving as a more disciplined trader. My commitment today is that regarding each and every trade I make, I'm behaving as a more disciplined trader. Beyond self-sabotage. Trade results have a random distribution of wins and losses. Because I cannot control whether I win or lose on any particular trade, my job as a trader is not to win. My job as a trader is all about assuming risk, which is something I can measure and control. More and more, I'm comfortable with that job description. I take calculated risks for a living. I don't get paid for being right, I get paid for assuming risk. Because that's the real challenge, the real work of trading. Today, I feel more comfortable assuming risk and I define that risk in advance. Because I consciously and willingly plan for risk, calculate risk, and assume risk, I have nothing to fear from the market. Moving beyond fear. I know that in trading, there is no possibility of reward without risk. Therefore, I mentally prepare for both possible outcomes. Today, I won't fantasize about winning because I know anything can happen. Today, I fully accept that I am powerless to control the outcome of my trades, so I won't indulge in hope. Trading without hope today is helping me maintain a more calm and relaxed attitude. In this balanced state of mind, I am perceiving the market objectively. The more objective I am, the more I recognize opportunities that I would not ordinarily notice. Objectivity is a state of mind beyond fear. It brings more patience and the ability to act without hesitation. Mindfulness. I know that my own mental state is an important variable in my performance and I choose to monitor it. I'm always aware of the market, but today I'm also practicing being aware of myself. I realize that I have automatic thoughts and feelings that can disrupt the flow of my trading and make me too reactive to whatever just happened. Being aware of this and more aware of myself, I am observing these thoughts and feelings before they create reactive behavior. As I gain control over my own reactions, my trading steadily improves. Which is very true. I have seen this.
Order canceled.
Okay, about time here. First target hit. Moved into a manual trailing. If we get lucky, we'll get the initial bounce mid. Try to not get stopped out here until then. minus 5 is 28, so it should have been right here is where my TP.
Stop filled.
Stopped filled. Very fucking loud. Nice if I could turn the volume down for that. Alright, I'm looking for a short now.
Order submitted.
Still way too loud.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, there's the entry. It looks very bullish, but it's very misleading. Because this is a 786 level that was rejected. Once, twice, 3 times.
Order filled.
Very misleading here. It looks very bullish, but it's purely in a range here, and this is near the top side of the range. Don't mind the EMA crosses. Don't mean shit right now. I got my stop loss protection above the priority high, priority close. And even a little better, or a lot better if it was above that 786 level. Very misleading, bullish, but it's not. Rejection, rejection. Look at that. Let's look at the 1 hour. This is the only chart that actually makes some sense here. The 1 hour chart. Clear rejection there. Clear rejection, rejection, and final. Went up from 69 so far up to 36. So that's a 70 plus point move from the bottom of that VWAP deviation there. First, second standard deviation. I'm actually targeting below this. Rejected right on the first standard deviation. Get the green VWAP right there. A few things. Question. Higher probability would be to take profit at the bottom of the range, close to the initial bounce low here in the PP level. I have a hunch that it's will continue downward below this 50% level. So instead of taking my full profit there, I will leave this one open down to the first, second, third standard deviation, the red line there. This right here will secure a risk-free position and some profit. Just one trade here. When if we test the initial bounce low again, take a few points off of there. Okay, what's input stats here?
Target filled.
that here to my winner.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oof, look at that. Fucking melted. Excuse me. Okay, for February 9th.
Target filled.
Finally. I did put the speed up to 50x there. Alright. One target.